Awesome, awesome. Alrighty, let's get this. All right, let's get. Perfect, perfect. Alrighty, let's go ahead and start looking through our watch list, see what we can do. I mean, right now. Oh, now SCSN is starting to get that break. It's about 138 or 130 and 134. I got increasing in volume. Broke above that swing high. Huh. That's unfortunate. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? Good morning. Good morning. I'm tired. I had a long night moving, helping my buddy's girlfriend move. Alrighty. We have EVAX on the watch list. Why is this moving? I actually don't see why this is moving at all. I'm not too sure. Let's go and look at, see what's going on. EVAX. No, I mean, oh, so it's a healthcare stock. So I think the whole sector's moving. We had a really long wick to the downside, and now we actually gapped up very significantly. We're gapping up currently 180% on the day for EVAX. But I don't see any company-specific news. I think this is also a not too sure, but I do like PETZ. Entry into agreement and closing of a registered direct placement of 9.9 million common shares and warrants. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you so much. Good morning, Yasmin. How are you doing? SNMP. Oh, okay. I do like this, how it moved up. What was the news, I wonder? Employment introduced inducement reward awards under New York Stock Exchange. These announced agreement to develop renewable fuel projects evolve to invest 600 million in construction. So I like this news. I like this news a lot for SNMP. Let's go ahead and look back. Every time we gap up, gap a little bit, Rand gave everything back. Gapped up, Rand gave everything back. Gap down, Rand. Gapped up, Rand gave everything back. Or gapped up, Rand gave everything. Oh, gapped up and just dumped, but gapped up, dumped. So it's about 50-50, I think. I would say. Gapped up, Rand. Gapped up, dumped, Rand. So I think it's about 50-50 for what's going to happen here, or what could happen. So let's go ahead and identify our key levels. I mean, right now we're sitting at around we have a key level back at 123. I would like to ideally hold that level. And we have some at, obviously this is going to be a zone. Break over that, we have room up to 165 and potentially even 185. Alrighty. So this, yeah, the new fuel. I do like this. We have PETZ. a closing of a registered direct placement of 9.9 million of common shares and warrants. So I do like PETZ as well. Have you heard of the strategy of Darth Plagueis the Wise? No. I think I said that right. I'm not too sure. We have NPTN, not a fan of it. Then we have Car, guys. Well, Car's giving a lot back. So that was a couple days ago when it ripped. Was it? Yeah, it was 2 days ago. I thought that was yesterday. But let's go ahead and check out what the SPY's doing. I mean, we're just kind of in this uptrend. We're just continuing to push higher and higher and higher. We keep this market, we just keep breaking above rising wedges when they're a bearish pattern. This is not normal. Not normal price action whatsoever. This is definitely some kind of market makers. They want to keep pushing the stock market higher, getting more power, getting more. This just doesn't happen. Look at this. Give me 1 sec. Let me add my time frame. We keep having decreasing volume on this pullback. That doesn't happen. Usually, when you have increasing volume, that's when you start to have a fat pullback. So in the stochastic, could be kind of, we'll see. We had the first dip here. Let's see if it stays up there with it. But if it starts to dip, then I'm looking for a potential pullback with an inverse head and shoulders pattern for the SPY. Let's go ahead and take a peek at, okay, here's Coinbase. Because right now, I really don't have anything that I'm watching right now. I don't really see anything that looks super, super good for a setup right now. AMD's at 32, 132. Jesus. AMC was phenomenal. Hit our price targets. I don't really see too much here. Whoops. GEO. Let's look. I like how we broke above the swing highs. I mean, we realistically have room back up to $10 without much resistance. Break 10, move to 11. And we did bounce off the 50 SMA, and I think it looks very bullish now. Yeah, it looks very bullish for GEO. Then we have EVAX. It's on my watch list. There was the crazy pop. They're around 16%. That's crazy. So yeah, I do like EVAX. It's on my watch list because it is on my gappers. I don't know the ticker for PayPal, so let me know what it is. And it looks like we might be breaking out here. Looks like we might be breaking out. Man, that moved from 18 to 22. Like that. The relative volume is like 20x. Yeah, I don't know the ticker for PayPal. I mean, let me try to. I mean, is it that PayPal? Yeah, I got it. um, we've been dumping lately. I mean, good morning, OCGN. I can look in a sec, but I'm not too sure. If we break this 225 level, I can see it's coming down to maybe 215 and potentially even $200 for PayPal. In XTP, yeah, I had that on my watch list, and then for today. Oh wait, no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I thought this was the one that I deleted. I mean, we got bull. I think we could see it continue to rip today. Break over that yesterday's high. I think we're going to see it come up to 179 potentially, or 180 back into this 220 EMA or 90 EMA, and that also matches with the 50 SMA on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, we are above both the 90 EMA and 20 EMA, and on the 15-minute, so I'm pretty bullish. And on the 4 hour, if we crack and continue to move, I think we could see this back up to one, easily back up to potentially 180 today. So I'm going to keep this on watch as purely technical, which is what I like. I do like this. We have crowd. Guys, the whole market is just going up and up and up and up and up. AMC. Okay, I'll look at AMC. Very high volume on a doji candle. I think we have more room to the downside. I just don't think we're going to continue to rip. I mean, break over yesterday's highs, we have room up to 50. Guys, it's so easy to make money in this market. All you got to do is buy put calls. It's literally it. Roku entry. Why was it dumping? What happened there? Price target 435. Okay. Honestly, 288. I'm not too sure. I mean, we could stop here. We'll see what happens if we break through 286. I would look to wait for a pullback down to around 240 to 250 for an entry for Roku. Then look for a potential reversal pattern. Thank you for the likes. Should I major in finance or economics? I think that's tough. What do you want to do, like with your life, like after college? Like, what's your end goal? Thank you for the follow. EVAX is up 240%. Oh! Okay, I retract the statement that I don't have anything to watch. I forgot. NVAX closed yesterday at 645, ran all the way up to $50. Probably sort of banking until I save enough to trade and retire, but which degree would make me more right after college? Really, that you don't need a degree to really make it into college. So any job that you see right now that says that you need a degree, if you show up and show them that you have the certifications and give them examples of what you've done, and they're great and they're better than your competition, you will get hired without a college degree. Now, I like college. I think college is amazing for people, but it wasn't for me. And I don't want to give advice about the college because I only went for a year, and I don't want to give out just my opinion. You know what I mean? Because that's not, my opinion won't work for everybody's lifestyle. So really, what I can say that will set you up for life is always wanting to learn. Being able to always be able to learn something will do so much more for you than a college degree. I'm talking like not even like doing calculations like mathematics, world history. It's more of like a like learning. I don't know how to do the Rubik's cube, but a good example would be I need to go learn to do the Rubik's cube. Learning new things like that is a very, very good thing to do. So what are you netting a year? Can you give a general range? This is like, so was my job. So I started, let me go ahead and break it down. So I started trading like 2 years ago. I really got into trading, I lost fucking 5-6 grand the first year. So I stopped for a little bit. It started investing low. Then March of this year, I just started making videos on TikTok, and I had no idea what the fuck I was talking about. But then I started reading a fuck ton of books. These are all from March, end of March of this year. So I wasn't a reader, but I forced myself to read and learn things. And I started doing the stock market every single day. So right now, I'm not making a lot of money off this at all. But I have faith, just because I won't quit. I won't give up. And I can see my future of being a successful trader. So right now I'm still working with my small account, but I have the technical knowledge. I have all of the technical knowledge, but the psychology around trading is still something that I have to crack. And I would say I've only been really trading for around really in the market trading for around 3-4 months. Some traders, it takes them 2 years to be profitable after trading in the real markets. I think I'm on the really good path. But we're going to continue to push until we make it. That's all you can do. Continue to push until you make it. That's all you got to do. Oh, there's a dump for EVAX. I might start and look to I don't like that big dump right there. I don't like this already. I don't even know why. Oh, EVAX. Oh, wait, never mind. EVAX Form F1A filed. So guys, what I'm really looking for here, especially, is a potential man, I'm not a huge fan of this at all. Here we go. Let's go ahead and change it to a 5-minute because I do not like the way that this looks. Evax is up for no reason. No, they released a Form F1A. I'm not too sure what that is, but it's definitely something. Filed by Biotech, registration statement, Securities Act, da 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 da. I'm not too sure. And plus, the relative volume here is. So I'm not too sure why it's pumping. Why it's I know why it's pumping from the Form F1A file, but I'm not too sure why it's moving up this much from $6 close back up to 20 now. But I do like how it's moving. The relative volume is stupid. Let's go ahead and see what happens last time. So okay, so we haven't even found enough data. We usually last time we gapped up, we ran and they gave everything back. So that's the only data we have, and that's what traders are looking for. So I'm actually looking for that. What I do not like are a lot of these upper wicks here, though. That's scaring me. That's scaring me a lot. Here we go. You guys are on YouTube. Here's a very good example of stopping volume and how you can get out at the top. I'll go ahead and let you guys know that on this too. Here. See how we have this. This is from EVAX, a short-term mover on the 4-minute chart. From here at around $18, pumped all the way up to 122, or from 20 to 22. You could have gotten out at the top right here if you knew what VPA was. So volume price analysis, see how we have increasing volume on this bar, but see how this spread is smaller than this candle, but we have an increasing in volume. Since we have an increasing volume on a smaller spread, that's telling me that sellers are entering the market. And then we see a doji candle, and then that's when you start getting out of all of your position. So that's the first warning bell that we have increasing volume on a smaller spread. You look to get out. And then, again, you scale out of your position. The markets don't turn on a dime. They kind of round off. So this one, it did turn really fast, but sometimes the markets don't. Sometimes it continues to drag up. That's why you like to scale out. So that was your first sign to start to scale out. Then the doji candle with pretty high volume. There's more indications to scale out. Good morning. How you doing? I'm really looking for EVAX really here. Any plays you like? I like EVAX right now out of this pennant almost. For the move higher. I mean, we'll see what happens here. SDC. Is this the one that I feel like I've traded SDC a lot, but I'm not too sure. I like the way you explain scaling. Awesome. Yes, yes. Thank you, Yasmin. If you have any questions about volume price analysis, I'll try to let me know. Man, that would have been a good entry, but we have decreasing volume, so be careful. That's decreasing volume. I'm not a fan. Thoughts on BB? Let's look. Not a good day trade. Yesterday we had a very high volume on a doji candle. I expect us to pull back today. Oh, there we go. We're moving still. BTTX. Let's look. Appoints a new chief people officer. That's good news. Now, we're chilling between. I mean, we're back above 1440 now. I would like to have us hold 14 or break above $15 and then hold it, or around 1450. I would like to. That would be very bullish. We just broke out of the trend, or the downtrend. Let's see if we can get some more volume, start to push in here. Honestly, I'm looking for a washout long. We have 3 minutes left, guys. I'm looking for a move higher, pull back. Mm-hmm. Mm. So I am watching EVAX for the potential washout long. Maybe back down to 18, ideally. Maybe back down to 20. Let's see what happens here. Again, with the washout long strategy, I'm using very little capital at the start, and I start scaling in really, really slowly. ARTX. Gapping up a little, like 30% or so. I'm not too sure. Yesterday we hit, we're above the, yeah, we're above the 50 SMA now in the daily. We're chilling at $5 now. I mean, break over 5. We have room to the swing highs at 550 and potentially even 586. So, I mean, we have some strong resistance at 540 to 550. Break over that, I don't really see it. I don't really see us stopping before 6. Here we go, guys. I'm looking for a washout. Maybe down to around 21.54. Maybe even down 20.55. Let's see what happens. You have 30 seconds left. All right, let's see what happens. There's the panic pop. Let's see if we can get a pullback down to the 90 EMA. If we can get a pullback down to the 90 EMA on the 5-minute, that'd be nice. It looks like we might be starting to stack. Looks like we might be starting to stack. Looks like we're starting to stack. I think we're going to get halted here. Halted to the downside on EVAX. There we are. We're halted to the downside. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate for EVAX. Yes, the EVAX is halted. Excuse me, guys. Now, we have bids at 16.12. So people are looking to buy it at 16.12 and asks are at 24. So this spread is huge. So that's unfortunate. I mean, I kind of like EXRTX for the potential halt strategy. So I'm giving it a little bit. What calls are you buying today? I'm not buying any calls today at the moment. I'm not really buying anything. I'm still not made a trade today, but I am looking for R or XRTX. Mm-hmm. Above 550. We're gonna be live at 9:31:38. All right, guys. I want to see us gap up above this level, but I also want to see us. But I also want to see us pull back for the 1 minute here. We're gonna be live here in 30 seconds. Live here at 9:36:38. We have 4x relative volume. We should be live here in 5 seconds. Didn't take the hold because it gapped down. It's gonna get halted to the downside here. Halted to the downside. EVAX. Halt. Looks like we're gonna get halted again. I don't like anything right now. I'm not finding anything right now at the moment. Halted, still moving? Yeah, it's moving down. Yep. Yeah, halted down too. It's unfortunate. So, I mean, the small caps are just not looking good. EVA. GM, brother, let's look. Oh, I like that. We're about to hit our 200 SMA. What are you looking at today? I'm looking at EVAX, or I was looking at EVAX. Halted to the downside now. What about Pez? Pez could still reverse. We got NXTP, still maybe a potential reversal. XRTX, deleting that off the watch list. But now I'm looking at CNCE. So CNCE is one that I'm watching. CNCE is my top stock to watch. Winning with 40 shares so far. I'm risking very little. I want to see us pull back and then potentially I'm risking below 910 or below 99 or 49. Man, only if I win it with my full position size. Wasn't a fan. Was not a fan. I'm looking at Facebook right now. I would like to see another higher low here. I'm pissed. I didn't get it. I would have gotten 7 or 6 contracts at 140. Would have been up 180 bucks just off that. Hmm. That's unfortunate that I didn't catch that Facebook move. SESN, yeah, SESN is above 138. Like, good for SESN. I mean, I don't have my calls because I was waiting for the FDA approval, and we were in this pennant. We broke up and then gave everything back. And once we broke below this level and the 50 SMA, I cut it and took a small loss. At what entry point? I'm confused. I forget what I was talking about. Yeah, I missed my long on Facebook. That's unfortunate. I would have been up a good amount. Nvidia's up 5%. Holy shit. Um, oh man. EXTR down 422. Oh, EVAX now? Nah, I wouldn't be looking for it. I mean, we would. It's just, it's still, you don't want to catch a falling knife. And for XRTX, oh yeah, dumping here. Hmm. Not a fan. Not a fan. We'll see what happens. OLB making a move? Did make a move. Pulling back to 770. Let's see if we can hold this level. We did we halted at 954.40. So we're gonna be live at 9:59:40. So we have around 4 minutes. Guys, so the spread is pretty nice for FABB, FATBB. I'm looking to catch like maybe $1 or $2 a share here. Again, my stops would be it's back below the uh, the halt level. And I want to see the NASDAQ level 2 be, I want to see it stacking when we open up, guys. We have around 2 minutes left. So let's see what we can do here. Let's go ahead and adjust. Let's see what happens here. We got a halted, one halt. Two halts. And then got 30 halts, so. One halt. Two halts, three halts. This is the third halt, guys. If we can't see this pop above and hold, and expect it to pull back hard. We're gonna be live here in around a minute. Whatever this, I have shit I gotta do. So I gotta help move my friends, girlfriends, parents out of their house. So this is gonna be my one and done. Sheeb is dropping. Oh yeah, baby. It's classic Sheeb. We're gonna be live here now. We should be live. No, we're not live. Yeah, I think it's a 10-minute halt. Oh, man. Man. Yeah, Sheeb is dropping. I can't see when we're going to be live. I forget what time. Halted. SVA halted. Yes, I'm watching SAVA over. Well, I'm not too sure why SVA is mooing actually. We're going to be live here in 10 seconds on FATBB. 3, 2, 1. I did not like it. I tried getting into it, but the whole strategy didn't work. No, it's not gonna. Excuse me. Woo. It's gonna dump. So now we're going to SAVA. 10:01. Oh, this should be. This should have been live. Oh, this is gonna be live in around 30 seconds. SVAV. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if we gap up significantly here. Okay, we should be live here in 15 seconds. Be live here, 3 seconds. Did not get filled. Did not get filled. That's unfortunate. Oh, didn't chase it though. That's unfortunate. $88.22 is the halt level. Let's see if we start to see some stacking. Starting to see some stacking here. Let's see if I can get in. I can't. That's unfortunate. Dogecoin prediction for November, December. Let's look. Dogecoin, Dogecoin, Dogecoin. Where is my Dogecoin? The end of November? Oh, this is terrible. Fuck. Give me a sec. I need to find the right Doge. See, why can't I find a Dogecoin that gives me the full chart? That's stupid. I hate TradingView. TradingView is the worst fucking charting platform out there. There we go. It's about time we see something. Halted again. I know. It's crazy. I tried to catch it for a halt strategy and it ripped. But we have Doge USD. If we can hold this this 9 EMA, I think we could see it back up to 32, potentially even 35 by the end of the month. Break over that swing high. We have room back up to 38. TSVTV is halted. Not a fan of it at all. Okay, I'm looking for another move, just like FATBB did here. We pulled back into that OTE zone. So I am looking for us to pull back into this OTE zone, which would be around, which would be in here. So I'd be a buyer for FATBB between $14 and $16. Best meme coin right now? No idea. I don't do my research on meme coins. So I'm not the person to talk to. Oh, best meme coin. Right now, I'm not liking anything. I don't like the look of anything, which is unfortunate because I really wanted to trade and really, it's unfortunate. FATB. I am looking for FATB for a bounce off $15. We should be live here for SAVA. Wait, hold on. We're gonna be live at 10:11:50, so we have around 2.5 minutes. Where you guys from, and how many years of trading do you guys have, or how many years of experience do you guys have trading? SAVA will be live here in a minute. We have bids at the halt level, which is good. I really want to see a pop above 91 or 91.30. Pop above 91.30. We could pull back. We're gonna be live here in 30 seconds. I don't like it. I should have got into it, but I wasn't a fan. Could have bought that dip trade. Woo! Let's see if we can get a micro pullback here. That was a good micro pullback. It looks like I'm... looking for a nice dip trade here. NJ trade, New Jersey trading for 3 months. Hey, I love it. I like it. I like it. I've been trading. I mean, oh whoa, we could have got a nice micro pullback. I live in Ohio. Realistically, been trading for 2 years, but day trading for around 7 months. I would want to buy. I don't. I wanted to buy a dip. I should have bought a dip trade. Should have bought it. I hesitated. Breaks over 100. I'm going in. There it is. Let's see if we can bounce off VWAP here. In at 93. Woo! Yes, yes. I would be careful though. Be careful. Be careful. I don't know if we'll so. Yeah, CAR is still ripping. Oh man. That is just unhalted. Whoa. 10, 11, 24. We're going to be live here at 10, 16, 24. Yeah. Oh man. Suggest me a crypto. Quant, XRP, ICP, HBAR, VChain, Bitcoin, Ethereum. Guys, we're going to be live here in around 20 seconds. Should be live here in around 5 seconds. Didn't enter it though. I didn't see it. I didn't see it pop up, and we're getting halted to the downside. That would have been an easy $200 loss, just like that, if I entered there. What? I'm looking to catch PETZ out of this falling wedge. Stopped or below 3. I want to see this start once I get more and more confidence in this. I want to see a nice double bottom here. I'm in on PETZ for the break of the falling wedge. Room back up to the 50 SMA. Do not want to see it start to crack. We got some buyers popping in here. We got good buyers. We got some big buyers. I think we're going to hold that level of 306. I think we're going to hold that level. I think we are going to... So I'm going to go ahead and get in more here. Average down just a little bit. What is a good lithium stock? I'm not too sure, my man. I'm risking low a day. I have 100 shares on the position. This is only around a sixth of my whole position. I want to see us back up to the 50 SMA here. Check out sponsors. One there, a liquor business. What's the ticker? Let me know. I want to see us when we closed above the 9 EMA. I'm gonna add more. Close. I like that. And then I'm gonna add in one more time with my full position. going to see a nice squeeze here, nice double bottom. Not getting the volume that I really wanted here. But we're still moving up. I want to see us. There we are. We're starting to get volume now. I want to see a slight micro pullback here. Down to around 318. SPOB. Yeah, I can look at it in a sec right now. I'm going to trade. Not a fan of that upper wick. Here's that micro pullback. I'm going to go ahead and add here, actually. I have 300 shares now on the position. Or 600 shares. If we break over the 20 EMA, that's when I'm going to move my stop to break even. Come on. Crack it. I know you want to. Crack it. I know you want to. Crack it. There it is. Come on. I want us to hold the 20 EMA, though. I think we could see a nice inverse head and shoulders pattern here. 330. We're having a micro pullback here. That's fine. Once we have this micro pullback, I want to see it continue to rip back up to that high. There it is. Once we break over this swing high, stop, start, break even. There we go. Or below this low. I'm going to take some out here. I'm not a huge fan of the price action. I have 500 shares now long. Thank you for the follow. What are you using to trade? Well, I'm confused. I'm using TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim. If that's what you're wondering. All right, we're getting that another micro pullback. Let's see if we can continue to whoa. Did not like that. Oh, I got scared out. But yes, $10 profit today. Nothing crazy on that. Yay. It's another break-even day today, guys. It's slow. So, anyways, I gotta go. I got a lot of stuff I gotta do. Thank you guys so much for stopping in. If you guys haven't already, consider subscribing. If you are on YouTube, I really appreciate it. And on TikTok, go ahead and give me a follow. And I will see you guys tomorrow morning, and we'll get it. It's today Thursday, correct? I think today's Thursday. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.